One of my favourite activities with students, the first few weeks or so of the classes, is ask them what the longest word is that they know in English, obviously teaching English, and then I tell them about Llanfair PG, and they're just absolutely gobsmacked by it. And when I'm writing it up on the board, they say, "Okay, stop," and I'm only halfway through. Keep going, and then get them to try and pronounce it, and it's hilarious, some of the things they come up with. But I think that's a good activity for students. It gives them a bit more awareness of the language and how different it is to English, the pronunciation, which they struggle with. So yeah, lots of different ways that we get the Welsh ethos across. Other things we have, seasonal activities, St David's Day, that's obviously the biggest one we've got. St Dwynwen's Day, I always try and promote that over St Valentine's Day. It's got a bit too commercialised, I think, St Valentine's Day. And a lot of students have never heard of St Dwynwen before, so it's nice to share that knowledge with them.